Welcome to Phone Transformer, where today I am going to show you how to use Google Lens on Android to identify objects or shop for items instantly. This powerful tool turns your camera into a search engine, so now let's get started. Step 1, open the Google app on your Android device to access the built-in search features. This app is the central hub for Google's smart tools and is usually pre-installed on most Android home screens or in the app drawer. Step 2, tap the camera icon located on the right side of the search bar next to the microphone. This button activates the Google Lens interface, allowing your phone to see and interpret the world around you in real time. Step 3, take a photo of the object, plant, or text you want to learn more about by pressing the shutter button. This action captures the visual data so the software can analyze specific details like brand names, species, or unique patterns. Step 4, scroll down to see visual matches or product links that appear at the bottom of your screen. This part of the process provides you with information, shopping options, or similar images from across the web based on what you just photographed. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips.